And welcome back. So we continue to get in snowfall reports from across the region right now as this snow shower activity is going to wrap up in the next few hours or so. Here's a look at the current reports we have, and you'll notice there is a bullseye over northern Custer County where we do have multiple reports of over 20 inches of snow. Our reporting station 11 miles northeast of Callaway reports 23 inches of snow, and 9 miles northwest of Anselmo at 22 inches, with Broken Bow just under that at 19 inches. Also, the city of Callaway itself picking up 17.5 inches of snow, 5 miles west-southwest of Stapleton at 17 inches, 16 miles southwest of Mullen at 14 inches, and currently we have a report of 13 inches of snow at North Platte. High temperatures today hit after midnight, and temperatures have been falling through the day. Most of us were into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Current temperatures look like this. We've been into the mid-20s for quite some time now. 24 North Platte, 25 Ogallala, lower 20s out toward Hyannis, Imperial, Thedford, out toward Broken Bow and Lexington, lower 20s, and near 20 right now at Valentine. There's the wind flipping around from a northeasterly direction earlier today to more of a northerly flow and picking up a little. Wind speeds sustained 15 to 20 miles per hour. And let's take a look at some of the highest wind gusts across the region. Where you see this this red area, this is where we do have reports of around 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So definitely be aware of that as you make your way through the evening. That's still blowing around a little bit of snow. Between 1.5 and 2 mile visibility from Ogallala through North Platte and out toward Broken Bow. 1.25 mile visibility at Valentine, and really starting to see some blowing snow out toward Imperial at 3/4 mile visibility. So the wind chill value across the region is still around 5 to 10 degrees, so prepare for that if you're spending any time outside. Let's take a look at the weather alerts. Still have that winter storm warning in effect for the entire viewing area. It does expire at 6 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. Mountain Time today. So here's a look at the weather alerts. They do have that dry slot out toward Broken Bow and Lexington, and just some light snow showers around most everywhere else. With that northerly wind, it sometimes makes it look a little worse on the radar here, but it looks like the system is starting to wrap up and move off to the east. We're definitely on the back end of this system. Low pressure system now moving into the Midwest. Once again, going to be a rainmaker off to its south and to the east with some severe storms down south. And still some snow showers now moving into the Midwest and into southern Ontario. High pressure is going to be in charge of our forecast. We're going to be back to sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. Additional snowfall amounts now out toward southeastern Lincoln County, the Grant area too, and from Broken Bow, Stapleton points off to the north, light blue shading. These areas could pick up another 1 to 3 inches of snow before the system is over. So here's a look at the skycast as we make our way through the rest of the evening and through the overnight. You can see the snow start to work its way away from us. Tomorrow morning, temperatures still into the low to mid 20s, but we do have that westerly wind, so we're drying out. Mostly cloudy skies turn partly cloudy later in the morning, and even mostly sunny by the early afternoon. High temperatures into the lower 30s across the region. And then we will cloud up once again, starting off your Friday with some areas near 10 degrees, mostly cloudy skies Friday, but still getting into the lower 30s for highs. Here's a look at the weather in motion across the country. So this low pressure system continues to work its way off to the north and off to the east. High pressure quickly will crest over us and then work its way off to the east. And then after that, we do have another system that's going to work its way in. We're really not going to be in the warm sector of this high pressure system for much longer. We do have this low pressure system that's just going to skirt us off to the south, and that will give us the possibility of some snow showers mainly on Saturday morning, and another chance as we make our way through Sunday into Monday. But those look light. High temperatures in the lower 30s with variably cloudy skies over the next 3 days. 35 on Sunday, just a slight chance of some snow showers Monday morning. And that's it for the moisture. Highs staying near 30 through Tuesday and Wednesday, still with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies as we stay in a dry weather pattern. Kent?
It will be nice to see this
Yeah, it's going to be nice, hopefully getting some of that snow off the roads with those temperatures near freezing.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. In central Nebraska, the snow wasn't the only thing creating problems.